So I'll be showing you how to change the camera mode on your GoPro Hero 12, or basically how to switch between video, photos, and time-lapse on the GoPro Hero 12. So with the GoPro on, all you have to do is press and release the power button, this one right here. Just press once and release. All right, so for instance, the default is video. So if I press once, it goes into photo mode, and now when I press the shutter button, it takes photos. Then when I press again, it's gonna go into time-lapse mode, and pressing again returns it to video mode. Okay, so this is the button you use to switch or to cycle between the three modes on your GoPro Hero 12. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.